Hey everyone, it's Claudette. Welcome back to the Green Farm channel. I've got a fun video for you today and I'm really excited to share this theme kit with you today. It's something we've been requesting Marie to make forever. Not just you guys, but the team, me. I am so excited, and this character that she used goes perfectly with the theme. All right, I'm not going to take too long on this intro, but I'm going to show you this kit really quick, and I will talk about all the information in it as I talk and go over this kit with you. Okay, so without further ado, let us check out what this kit is. Ta-da! It is a coffee theme. Yay! I know you guys are super happy that this kit is finally created and available for you to pre-order. Now, if you're not a coffee drinker like me, you can make this into a hot cocoa or a tea, anything you want to use it for, but this is the coffee kit. It is called Coffee Beans. How appropriate is this kit, or is the characters that go with this theme? Now, if you don't know much about the Green Farm, or if you're anything like me, it took me quite a while for me to realize that these characters are not the same as Anya or Ian characters. These are the beans, and they are slightly smaller, and they have stars in their eyes. And if you want to see how smaller they are from the Anya, this is the size comparison. She is very small compared to the beans. Or the beans are very small compared to the Anya. Anya is way bigger. So that's how you can tell the difference between Anya and the beans. And if it's the mini ones and you have a hard time, it's the eyes, the stars in their eyes is how you can tell that they're the beans. All right, so let me go over this kit. This is about, I think it's 8 or 12, 8.5 by 12. I know it's 12 for sure. And we have 11 beans on this kit, and we have 3 sentiments and elements to create your card scene. I'm going to go over the sentiment really quickly. Just 1 more cup, more coffee please, coffee plus you, and then of course this coffee bean bag, the chair and the table, the coffee bar, and then you've got the 3 different drinks, the Frappuccino, the to-go cup, and the mug. You've got a donut bag or a treat bag, and then you've got the coffee pot. All right, so let's look at the characters, each little bean. All right, I'm going to start with this cute bean. She is holding 2 to-go cups with a tray. This would be a cute you put her on a tag if you're giving someone their little coffee in the morning, you're bringing it to work, or just giving a coffee to a friend with a little goodie treat you could give, and you could put that tag and attach it to it. And then you have this adorable bean with her wavy hair and her mug. I just love her hair and her headband. And then you have this girl with her mug and her coffee press. I think that's what it's called. I don't drink coffee, so I don't really know the terminology for all this. I do know that this is a Frappuccino, which I do drink if I do drink coffee, and it's decaf. So that was fun to color, and she's a fun little girl. I adore this one. I love the hair. I think what gets me with the characters are their hair. They're so fun, and there's so many different ways you can use these kits and, you know, make them, personalize them to your friends. You know, if they always wear their hair in a bun, or this is how she looks, it'd be a perfect character to use for them. She's wearing her little her hoodie, and some jeans and her tennies. And then you have this hair I absolutely love. She's my first, she's my second. Such a fun hair, and I wanted to color her in a fun way. And her outfit is adorable. And then she has her little to-go cup. And then we have this girl right here. I use a little dot I don't remember what it's called. It's been a while since I had art class. I just used 4 different shades of brown and then just dot, 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 dot around her hair. And I loved how it turned out. I love coloring this type of hair this way. So it was a lot of fun to color her. It was different from the usual way you color all the other girls' hair. So I had a lot of fun coloring her. And then we have this coffee girl. Such fun. You could put her behind this coffee bar or put her right here next to the chair with one of these in her hands, or you can use this kit and use a tray, have her hold a tray with these little treats and then serving it, and then you could use one of these girls to put on the chair. That would be such a fun scene. I think I'm going to do that. I'll try and do that. I have a lot of things that I want to share with you guys on ideas, but that's one you can use. You could especially put this cute girl on that chair because she's reading her book, drinking her coffee. That would be a fun idea. I love her long, luscious ponytails. Then we have this fun girl here with her hat, her baseball hat on backwards. She has sweated enough, and now she got her matcha frappuccino after playing, I don't know, baseball tag, whatever. I thought this was a fun one. Then you have this cute hat, this cute bean with her spring hat or summer hat with her coffee mug. I just adore it. It could be tea, whatever you want to do. This is not just for coffees, but I know this is a theme that you guys really wanted, and they have the beans. I love the beans, and I'm so glad we have the beans back. It's been a while, I think. I'm not quite sure when the last time we had a big kit with the beans. The only thing I could think of would be the Hocus Pocus ones. All right, let's go on to the details. Pre-order starts July 1st through the 5th. July 1st through the 5th. Please mark that in your calendars. Make sure to pre-order it because the price for pre-order is $42. That is the price, but once it goes into the store, whatever leftovers goes into the store, it is $50. Now, I highly, highly recommend, and I say this over and over in all our videos, to pre-order this because if you don't pre-order it, we cannot guarantee you if you're going to get it in the store, because last big kit we had no more. We had enough just for the pre-order, and we did not have any available to put into the store. So this is why I highly recommend you pre-order it. And let's say we have 5 left from all the pre-orders that we had. Those are first come first served basis, and if you don't get it, you're out of luck. You can request for this to come back on a farmer's market. However, let me just tell you something about that. When you do request for farmer's market of the new big kits, it will take a year before it will go in farmer's market. So it will take you a year if we have enough requests to bring this back to the farmer's market a year later after this is released. So this is why we say please, please, please pre-order this, because we don't know if this is going to be like last big kit and we won't have any available in the store. You're going to have to wait a year. Plus you're going to get it at $42. If there is some in the store, it's going to be $50. All right. So I recommend always, always, always to pre-order your big kits. You are guaranteed a kit and you are guaranteed the sale price. Alrighty guys, that's all the information. Oh, before I forget, ETA for this kit, it will be mid-July to end of July. It may come sooner, but we like to give a little cushion and say mid-July to end of July. So if you guys pre-order this, you get yours, make sure to tag us and show us when you get it. We love seeing it, and we love seeing how you use our kits. All right, everyone, that's all the information I have for you. If I left anything out, if you have any other questions that I didn't address, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I will get back to it as soon as I see it. And yeah, I hope you guys are as excited as I am with this kit. I can't wait to play with it now that I've colored them all up. I cannot wait to create a scene, and I will of course share it on my personal Instagram page, or I will share it on the Greeting Farms should it be a project for one of my posts. All right, take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.